18 cube is 5832, 19 cube is 6859, and 20 cube is 8000. So which is near 6855? This one, 19. So we need to add a what? 6859 minus 6855, that is 4. If you add 4 to 6855, you will get 6859, which is the perfect cube. So we need to add 4. That is the required answer. Next, find the cube roots of. These are 4 numbers given and we have to find the cube roots. Okay. So first number 0.00373375. Okay. So how to find first find the cube root of 3375. 5 into 675. So find to 135. So find to 27. Now it's easy. 555 15 27 3. So 5 3s are 15. 15 is a cube root of 3375. But there's a point over here. So how many points? 3 plus 3, 6 places. When you find the cube root, divided by 3. So 2 places. So 0.15. That is the cube root of this number. Now 1.331. This is the cube root of 11. This we must know. Directly we must learn actually. Or you can find out by this prime factorization method also. But it's better to learn up to 15. 4.913. So it is 1.7. Now 4.913, it's a bit difficult, but if I generally tell you to learn up to 15, but even if you do up to 20, that is the best, because some numbers do come like this. So 4.193 is 1.7. You can try it yourself by using the prime factorization. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.